Okay, guys, here we are, 2009 800S. I just removed the HMF here because I'm pretty sure the previous owner gutted that thing because it is loud as crap, like just obnoxious. Anyway, I couldn't find a video anywhere on YouTube about this job, so I'm making this one. Anyway, so it's easy enough to pull out the aftermarket just the way that they're built. It's kind of a pain in the ass to put in the stock. So if you've got to remove your stock or put in your stock, it's actually not as hard as you might think. So I'll just go through the steps here real quick to remove it. It is easy, obviously. Remove your back taillight section. That's all it there. If you have bars, you got to remove your bars. Then there's a piece right here that comes out. Anyway, you'll have to remove this. The springs are right around here, so you remove this section. This is kind of a pain in the ass. You do have to pry it. That's why, like you see, that's kind of bent up there. Just because they do seize up there really good and they're really hard to get apart. Anyway, and then of course, you're going to remove your bolts and everything. Oh yeah, of course I don't have a light. You're going to remove all your bolts and everything from your intake, and it comes over here. Now, one thing you'll see on mine, which is different than yours, is the previous owner put this welded in, and it doesn't really want to focus on that. It welded in this heat shield, I guess. At first, I didn't notice that was welded in. I didn't even realize that was aftermarket, to be honest with you. I did just buy this thing. I've only ridden it once, and that was when I purchased it. I drove it home. Anyway, you'll notice that the exhaust is actually in. As soon as I pushed that piece of metal back, it actually gave me the room. You can see the scratches right there in the center of the screen, where, like right there, where these pegs here scratched. And it was really easy. I actually had the exhaust manifold, I actually had that installed and bolted in right here and everything, and you need that room. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to unbolt here, take the springs off here in the center, and take it off that part there and pull it all that way, and then you're left with just your exhaust, your muffler. And now your muffler is easy enough. You're just going to pull it out and then bring it out on the passenger side. It's fairly simple. What you want to do is you take the back piece here and you want to push it into the driver's side over there, bringing the front this way, and of course you got to twist and turn it because that piece right there, and then it all comes out this way here. Fairly simple. The funny thing is when you do this, the way it goes in, in the front of it here is going to come this way. So, but it has to come out the passenger side. Anyway, and then of course when you're putting it back in, put it in, and now I'm just going to do everything in reverse and put her all in that way. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. And this thing does not want to focus. Let's see here. There we go. Autofocus. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. It is kind of a pain in the butt. There's a screw here and a screw here on each side, which is on the inside. So you got to get it in this way and then up this way. So from underneath the plastic, besides all the other ones that you can see. So there's the two hidden ones. And most everything is what is that? Half inch is what I've got this at. And of course, for some reason I got autofocus on. So anyway, yeah, they're pretty much all half inch. You do have some Torx and a bunch of L keys here. So you need all that, but it's not a bad job once you figure it out, guys. So I'm really, really hoping that you guys find this video helpful. With that, it's about to end. Peace out. Subscribe. Do all that stuff. Thank you very much, guys. Talk to you later.